guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to be dehydrating tomatoes and making tomato powder. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Today we're going to need a dehydrator, a blender, a tomato, and some salt. Start by cutting your tomato into small slices. Then place your slices onto the dehydrator tray, leaving space between them so that they can get proper airflow. Once all your tomatoes are on the tray, don't forget to salt them. I forgot to show this. Then place your trays onto the dehydrator and turn to 120 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Let your tomatoes dehydrate for 24 to 48 hours until completely crisp and dry. Once your tomatoes are completely dry and break apart like a chip, they're ready to be turned into powder. Place all of your dehydrated tomatoes into your blender. And blend until you have a fine powder. This took me about 3 to 5 minutes to achieve. Allow the fine particles to settle before you remove the lid. Then transfer to an airtight container for storage. You can add this to sauces, soups, breads, any recipe where subtle tomato flavor is desired. I hope you enjoy!